Okay, now that I've got these installed, got them set up, well, they're still not tight, obviously, they'll be straight. But if you look here, I made the adjustment here, about 3/16, and then I ran the nut up, just finger tight for now. The next piece we're gonna do real quick is plug in the shifter. Obviously it's angled away from you, so that's gonna be the outboard side. So we wanna do the inboard side first. Okay, so that'll fit like that. And what we're gonna do is install the cable in, because it's really easy to do it from the back. I'm just gonna get that one out of the way there. Okay, so we're gonna push the pin in, and then lock the barrel around the end. As you can see, that sweep is going forward, and now we can just position this. So what we're going to do is take this piece, spin that locking nut off, slip the washer on it, and we're going to just push this through the hole, get that like that. And then the next one, what we're going to do is push this rod all the way forward so that the it's not very hard to do. We're going to push this out like that, so it's easier to get a hold of this from the back, where you can get your hand there to pop in the pin. Sorry about that. Okay, now we got the pin in. We're going to roll this barrel over, click it into place, and now we can slip this other shifter into position and push the pin through. Then it'll go all the way through, put the washer on, and then the lock nut. Once the lock nut is on there, you'll take 2 3/4-inch wrenches, one on either side. Because they're locking, this one is already locked, so you should just be able to tighten this one. And what you want to do is tighten it just enough so that these aren't sloppy loose and make a rattly noise, but they're easy to rotate. So you'll just tighten it down just enough to get through that nylon, and from there you can cinch it just a little teeny bit to make sure it's nice and smooth, yet not rattling.